Welcome to my YouTube channel Excel chapter 4 hand-on exercise 1 simulation training. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So total question is 4 and question number 2 is display the worksheet in page break preview. So go to the view tabs and go to the workbook view groups and click the page break preview. And next is click a cell A42 and insert the page break. So type the A42 and press enter. So select the A42 and go to the home tabs. Go to the page load tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the insert the page break. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is set the range B5 to K14 as the print area. So type the B5 to K14 and press enter. So select the range and next is set the range B5 to K14 and go to the page layout tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the set the print area. Next is change the scaling to 60%. So change the scaling to 60% and go to the formula tabs. Go to the payload tabs and the scaling is to 16. So scale is to 16. And next is clear the print area and select the print area and click the clear the print area. Next is copy the June total worksheet and option is to left of the June total sheets. So right clicks and click the move or copy, click the create a copy and click OK. Next, rename the June total worksheet tab to June 1st total. So right clicks and click the rename and type the June 1st total and press enter. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is select the row 5 title to repeat on each page. So select the row 5 and title to repeat on each page. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the print titles and next is row to repeats to tops and select the row 5. Click OK. Next is select the column A to be title to repeats on each page and look at the first page print in preview and then print preview the worksheets. So go to the page layout tabs and click the print title. So column to repeat at left is column A and column B and click the print preview and next is 3 pages prints the first 3 page and print the worksheets. Next is print the worksheet. So question number 4 is complete. So assignment is done. Please click OK to submit the assignment and click OK. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your Excel chapter 4 and on exercise 1 simulation training is check the score is 100%. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. If you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.